Hello guys, welcome back to our Laravel post management system, and I would like to apologize you guys for the long, I took a long time to make a video because I was a little bit busy on some things, that's why. So I will say I'm sorry for that. So our last video, we stopped at part 11, where we can able to add some products like this, and we can able to adjust the quantity and decrease the quantity and make the orders, right? So now what I want to show you guys this part 12, I will show you guys how to add the barcodes in the products and how to implement that barcodes like this, okay? And I will show you guys how to make this barcodes step by step and how to show each product with its barcode. Okay, like this. So let's get started with this. So what we need, I will use this cool barcode stuff here, which I will leave this the link in the video description, where you can able to search it and see it and install it inside your product as well. So what I will do now, the first thing that I will do is I need to open my project in the Visual Studio Code, and now let's install this barcode into our project. Okay, so what to do first is I will open my project, and here's my project in the Visual Studio Code here. And now the next step is I need to get how to install this. So let's scroll down here, and you will see this installation here. And this installation here, what we need, if you don't install the composer, you need to install composer. So let's install this barcode package into our application. So I copy this and I open my project again. I open the terminal. Okay, so I will install the project here, and the project will be installed, and I will get back to you guys. Okay, so let's wait till the project is installed. Okay, now our barcode is installed successfully. So now what we want to do is inside here, inside our migration, our product table here, we have this, we don't have the code of the product code here. So I will add a field called the product code and barcode. Okay, so let's add the product code here. So what I will say product code, and the next will be the barcode, and the barcode will be string, or let's make it text. Okay, and the product code will be string. The product code can be string like this. Okay, so like this. And what I will do next is brand is there, and you can pass it like nullable, and the price. Okay, so here is it. So what I will do next, I need to do migrate press again. Okay, so I will say php artisan migrate. Okay, hit fresh, hit this, and it will migrate our database fresh. Okay, so if we see, let's come to our database now. Let's check our database. Let's say to refresh the database and open the products here, and we will have two new columns, right? The first column is the product code, and the second column is the barcode. Okay, so the next step is, let's come here and see how to use the barcode. Okay, here is the step of how to use the barcode. Okay, but what I will do next, let's open our product, our controller, apps. Inside apps, HTTP. Inside the HTTP here, we have a folder called controllers, and inside the controller, we have a product controller here. So open this product controller, and what we will need to do next is inside the store function here. you know, we use this request all, but now I will change the approach here to a new approach. Okay, so let's let's make a variable for products. Let's assign the product with the product model. Okay, so we can say product model. Let's just make it like this, new product model. Okay, so here now what I will do, I say the products with the product name, the field inside our database. Okay, we assign with this with the request of the product name. And the next one here, we pass it with the product code. We assign this thing with the request that is coming from the form, which is the product code. Okay, come down here. So let's copy this thing and say here the product quantity. Let's check inside our database what we have here. We have the product name, description, brand, price, quantity, product code, right? So let's make that here. We pass the quantity here, and inside our form is quantity, I think. So price, and the price also inside our database is price, and from which is coming from our request, I think so is price as well. Or else let me just make a request here. Let's check what are we getting from our. Let's return this. Okay, so come to your here and let's go to our products here and let's add a new product. I will use this fake filler and hit this and see. Okay, now we have this product name, brand, price, quantity, and alert stock. Okay, so I will use this inside here. So we have brand, which is brand, and our request also is brand. So here will be alert quantity. It's alert quantity, right? And inside our request also is alert quantity. Let's check. No, alert stock. Okay, so it's alert stock. Pass here alert stock. Okay, let's copy and paste here and check it. Here we have the description. Pass the description here, pass description here. So the next step here, you know, inside the product, inside this request here, we don't have any product code here. So I will not use this as the product code here, but I can use a random function here. Let's make a random function for the product code. Okay, so if you want, you can make some function that you want to do. So here now, what I will do is, let me just make a comment here. So it will be the product code. Okay, product code section like this, and underneath here I'll make a variable called numbers. So we can say product code. Okay, with the run function, this run here, and inside the run will have a 2 parameter. Okay, and now I will make a random numbers here. Okay, we can say this. Okay, sign, and I bring this one here, copy and paste it here, and it will be this like this. And here what I will do is just make it 0, 0, 0. So here's how much 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 0. Okay, now. So here is fixed now. So what I will do now here is the part of the barcode. Okay, here is the part of the barcode. So in the barcode here, what I will do, I will add a new variable called red color, or I can pass anything there, or I will say, okay. So here I say the red color. I will give the barcode with the red color. So you can say 255/0/0. Okay, that's our red color, and we can make another variable called here. Let's make the image of the barcode, or the HTML of the barcode. So we can say like this: give new okay, it is class called barcode. Okay, class called barcode. Okay, with HTML. Okay, which is from here. Let's see inside this documentation, which is this. Okay, we just use this one there. Let me copy this. I copy this and copy it, come inside your project and paste it here. Okay, we paste this in here. Okay, so let's try to how to say it. Let's try to use this barcode class on top. Okay, so how to use it? Let's use it, and on top here, if we can use this to do. We can say use. Let's use this. Use this on top like this, and now it's already used. Okay, so you see it's already used now. Okay, so the next step here is what we will do is let's make another variable called barcode. Okay, barcode equals to this variable. Copy this variable, bring it here, and now let's assign this thing with the get barcode. Get barcode function, and we pass this code inside here. Okay, now we pass this code here, and we can do this, and we make the barcode now. Okay, now we can use the standard function. If you come here and you will see this echo, so this echo, and I will use this to make the barcode. Okay, like this. Copy this, come here, paste it here. Okay, and do this. We have this. Okay, and now this is the this and just okay. So we have it like this. And here, this is place it. Okay. So the type code here, I will use type standard. Okay, I will not use this type. So you can search below here and check it here. Type standard, type code, and other stuff like that. So for me, I will use this type standard. Okay, this one. Copy this from here, and I change this type code to type standard with okay 2 okay 560 like this. I will use this thing like this. Okay, so inside this get barcode here, okay, I think I have already assigned this get barcode, so I will remove this one here. Okay, and only this one will be left now like this. Okay, so here is this. We assign this one we like this. Okay, this barcodes, I will use this barcode inside my code here, my product code here. Okay, so I use this barcode here. I'll use this barcodes here. Okay, this barcode, that's what we use inside. Okay, so now the next step is what? The next step is let's check what we got here. And in the barcode here, I will use the same thing again. What I pass this barcodes here, this barcodes that I will in this barcodes will be in the barcode section here, and this code will be this product code here. Okay? So this barcode will be here, and below here let's make another one called barcode, and here will be the barcodes. Okay, so now it's done. So the last step is to save it, right? So we can able to save it. This save function we can save like this. So let's remove these ones. It's not required. Okay, so here is it. So here is our barcode. Here is our barcode. Okay, and here is our steps. Here is our barcode. Okay, we pass this thing here like this, and we inserted our barcode here. Say get barcode. Okay, get barcode. Pass this thing like barcode. Okay, get barcode. Okay, and yeah, that's it. So we can try and save this and see what will happen. Okay, so let's check it out. Open here, and I will remove this request all now and see. Let's go on. What will happen? Okay, seems we have error, or it's there. I don't know. Let's check it out. Okay, it's already there. You see now we have our new barcode here, and we have our barcode, our product code here, and we have our new barcode. Okay, that's our new barcode that we have. Okay, so let's update this one, but update one will not work because we don't add anything there. So let's grab this thing again, this whole thing. Okay, grab this thing and come in the updation here. Okay, and I will use the same approach like I use this one, because like this, and here I just pass this thing. But here, instead of to create, okay, instead of to create, okay, I will say instead of to create here product code here, it will remain as it is. Okay. So this product code will remain as it is, and what to do next? The barcode is already there, and the barcode also will remain as it is, because I don't want to change such things, or else if you change the product code here, then the barcode will be changed as well. So let's just leave it like this, and we can give a request here, like we can give a request to the product code. Okay, so just make a request in this thing here with the product code. Okay, so and here will be saved. What we need to do here, we need to find the product ID. Okay, so we can say product find this product. Okay, or you can just make it like that. Just being, because we are using this model binding, we just make it like yeah, we can make it like this. Just pass this one here. Please make it like this. Just make it like, just add one S here. That's all. So that all will work fine. So this one, remove it, and we say save. Okay. So it will save us. So let's go back to our table here. Let's try to edit and update our desktop. Our folder code is not here yet, but what I will do is I will just come here and I will use this thing for now. Okay, just copy this code here and come here, paste it here like this. Okay, is the folder code, and we just leave the folder code as it is like this. Okay, so save. Let's try to refresh this page, and let's try to update this quantity to equal. Okay, yeah, it is there. So the quantity is already good, so we can update it and see what will happen. It's updated successfully, but it's saved instead of updation, but it's saved. Let's check here. It's saved a new one instead of updating this one. Okay, so come back here. What I will do is, here is the updation section. Okay, so instead of this, we can use an array here. Okay, we can use an array here, or let's just use this like this. Okay, product find. Let's remove this model binding for now, and I will use that one later, but for now let's use this simple stuff like this, and we make it safe. Okay, go back here, and not there, here. Let's try to refresh the page. Let's try to edit this one. I can say product, we can say it is color. So save this thing. It's already saved, and now it's not adding a new line. Now it's updating the stuff. So let's check whether our barcode will update it or not. And now we see we have our barcode and our product. So this section is done. So what I want to do now is, let's make one button here. We need to be the barcode button. Okay, so go to your navigation section. Where is the resources, views, layout, and includes. We have this navigation section, and in the navigation section here we have this one, and we will add another one called barcodes. Okay, so it will be barcode, and here we will say barcode. Okay, so let's come here and refresh this page. We have this barcode. Okay, and let me just make this so that you guys can see. Okay. So now here will be the link of the barcode. So let's make a route for this barcode. So we can make route called barcode. Okay, barcode like this. Well, we can say products.barcode. Okay, so to get, let's open our web. So open your web file here, and here we need to make one route function here. It will be route get. Okay, route get, and this will be products/barcode. Okay, and this will be the controller inside the product controller with a method called getBarcode. get barcodes, or we can say get product barcode. Okay, like this, get product barcodes, and we will give it a name. The name route which will be is products dot barcode. As we give our route here, products dot barcode. So our name route also will be the same as what we give here. Okay. So now let's make this full method inside our products here. And below the delete section here, we make a function, and the function name will be get product barcode. And this will have nothing. So we can just bring everything from the barcode here. We can say just assign a product equals to the product model. We can say all for now, and let's return this thing inside a new view. Let's return it inside a view. This view will be products dot barcode dot index. Okay, so let's make this view inside our products, the folder of our products, and inside the folder of products as well, I will make another folder called barcode. Okay, and inside barcode I'll make a file there. So inside here I will make a folder called barcode, and inside this folder I will make a file called index.delete.delete.delete. Okay, so now we have this thing. So let's check here what we have. You see what we have here, right? So we have these things. So what I will do here now is, let's copy all from here and paste it here. But I will not use this style stitch here, and I will not use this model here, and I will not use this section here, and I will not use this model as well here. Just remove all this table here. Let's remove the table for now. Let's remove this table. Okay, up to here. Okay, so let's start formatting. Okay, it's formatting. Format. Okay, now it's formatted. So we can say product barcodes. Product barcodes. Okay, so let's come back here and refresh this page and see. Okay, now let's hit this one and see what will happen. And here we have this thing. Okay, we have page not found. Page not found. Let's check inside our here, and here we have the page, right? But it told us that page not found, which is a page not found. Let's check our route here. Our route, we get this one and get this barcode, which is this, which is the product barcode. Okay, so in here we get this one, and we can pass. Okay, now all we can say, don't link all, we say select barcode. Barcode to be selected, so we can say this on this. So we check this thing, what will happen here now. Get this thing. Okay, hit this. Okay, why we are having this photo page with my phone. Something is happening, right? So what I will do here is this. order this thing, and we get this name that products. Just come to the navigation here and see on our route is good, it's working fine. And so why we are getting this? So let me do one thing here. Okay. Use route. Okay. I'll get it. So we get this will be the product here. Okay. Remove this edit here. Inside here we just press our view. Okay. Just press our view here. Let's see what's this subject. Okay, this is our view. Okay, so you can say this inside here. Let's import this thing because the here is already imported. Okay. So you can check it now. Request this way. Okay, we have an error. This route forward not found. It is this file, and we can give a name for it. Okay, come here. Copy this and give a name for it like this. So request this way. Put this. Then now we have this. Why are we having this? That is you can say Barcode. Request it. Put this. Okay. Something was happening with that. I didn't have Barcode. I don't have any Barcode here, but something was happening. So now what it says here is a agreement pass array. So what is this, and this will be get. Okay. So with this we have this. Okay. Now our barcode is working. We have the barcodes here. Okay. You see, we have this first barcode, we have the second barcode, and we have the third barcode. Okay. So let's make it like this. Remove this product here. Make it like this, and just this one. Check it out here. And this all the same. Let's call the products here. These products will be okay. And pass here come up, so you can make something like this. Come up products. Okay, this. Okay. So we have this table. And now let's check it out. Refresh. Click on down. Come up. Refresh. This. We get it here. Here is our token. Okay. Now we have our steps here. So let's come inside here. I don't need 9. I will use 12, and I don't need this one here. Okay. I don't need this. I will remove this one. Come here and refresh this page. We have 12 now. Okay. We have this 12. So, and what I want now, I want to have this barcodes here. This part inside here. Okay. So let's do that. So now let's bring our barcodes here now. Okay. Let's go back to the code, and inside the catch here, what I will do is I will add another div here with the class or with the ID. Let's make it div with the ID called print. Okay, like this. And inside this print here, I will pass our loop here. Okay, so but we need to do another div with a row, and this with a row we can pass our loop here. Okay, so inside here I will use for else. Okay, for else oh, that's one with me. For else, and what we have here, what is the stuff we pass here? We need to change this into products barcode. Okay, this product barcode, we pass it here, and inside the barcode here, we pass this thing and barcode. Okay, and inside here, I will add another div with a class called call md3. Okay, so you can say call md3. Okay, and this call md3 I will pass this here. I can pass another div called with the cut div cut, and inside that div cut I will have a cut body as well here. You can say cut body, and okay, and inside the cut body I will pass our barcode here. Okay, and hence inside our table our barcode is in HTML format here. So in Laravel you cannot use this like this to bring the barcode here, but what I will do, I will add another like this to bring the barcode for us, like the HTML. Okay, like this, and inside this I will pass our barcode variable here. So barcode variable like this, barcode sign with barcode. So, and hopefully it will work fine. Okay, so let's see what will happen. Let's come here and refresh this page. You have an error called this. Let's check here, go back here, bring this one here, and bring this one. Okay, so check it out, refresh the page, it's here, but still we don't have our barcodes. Okay, we don't have our barcode. So what's the problem? So you can pass your hit to, for example, plus times what will happen? We have no data since our this thing is not coming. Okay, our for else is not coming. So let's just pass for each and see for each. Let's add this one and say for each. This one for each. Check it out here. Still now, our data is not coming from this controller. So let's check it here. Okay, sorry, it's my bad, because I didn't pass any get here or any method here to get it. So go back here and make it for else, because I like to use for else. Come here and refresh this page. We have this thing. See, this is our steps. We have our first barcodes here. See how they look like. So let's remove this other one here. It should be like this. Yes, it's good. Okay, boom. Okay, we have our barcode. So it's the same like this one. Okay, but you still need to make some styling there. Okay, let's adjust some styling there. Let's make a styling on it. So underneath this we need to have it for, so that we can have this the code here, the barcodes here, okay, the product codes here. Okay, so come here, just pass here h4. Okay, inside the h4 we need to have a class called text center. Okay, so you can say text center, and inside this you can also add here style called the padding. Gonna be padding will be 1M, okay, and the margin top you can say margin top you can give it like 2M, okay. So let's put our code here, okay. So we can just add a normal Laravel, okay, tag here you can say barcode pass with the product code here, okay. And it will not work because inside here we just call only one, so we can add another one as a product code like this, and hopefully it will work. So like this, okay. So here is it. We have these things, okay. So one thing we need to do here next is let's make something different. Go back to the index of the barcode. Here we have call MD, or we can say call, let's make it call FG3, and inside that call FG3 we will have another call MD4, okay, and inside that call MD4 we will have another call MD12, okay, call SM12, and inside that here we can do the margin of it, because you can make margin top 3, okay, and text will be aligned center. So here you can say empty, okay, 3, and you can say text align center, and save it, come back and refresh this page. We have this thing like this, okay. So we have it like this, right? And this is like this, and this is like this, okay, because of this. So let's check. Okay, so here is it. We can do here this is the button. Okay, it's good. It's good. This is how it's gonna work. Okay, we just install the barcode here, and we change our fields, make and add new fields on it, which is the product code and the barcode field, and we updated our products with this barcode section here. So the next section here, what I will do here is I will change the ID. Let's begin. Okay, begin. Okay, let's login. It's going to login. So our permissions is much. Oh yeah, because I do migrate first before, so let's register again. Okay. Let's register now, and it's already registered, and but check here, we have this thing. Okay, so but you know here we use the ID of the product IDs, right, like this, but now I will change the product ID and I'll use the product code here. Hence we are using the barcode to add the products, so I will use the product code which will be the barcodes. Okay, so in the next video I will do that one here. Okay, so stay tuned. If you have any comment or any doubt about it, and I will make some styling in these things, okay, then I will show you guys how to make those styles as well. So stay tuned. See you in the next video. Thank you.